A budget is a plan for your money. It's a way to take control of your finances and ensure that you are making the most out of what you earn. By setting up a budget, you can allocate funds to different areas of your life, ensuring that you have enough for essentials, savings, and even some fun. It helps you spend less than you earn. This is crucial because it prevents you from falling into the trap of debt. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. This helps you save for important things. Whether it's a new car, a vacation, or an emergency fund, having a budget allows you to set aside money for these goals. Over time, these savings can add up and provide a financial cushion. It also stops you from getting into debt. By living within your means and avoiding unnecessary expenses, you can keep your financial situation stable. This reduces stress and allows you to focus on other important aspects of your life. When you budget, you feel in control. Knowing exactly where your money is going gives you a sense of empowerment. You can make informed decisions and avoid financial surprises. You know where your money is going. This transparency helps you to prioritize your spending and ensure that your money is being used effectively. It's easier to cut back on unnecessary expenses when you see the bigger picture. This helps you make smart choices. By having a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can make better decisions about what to buy and what to skip. This leads to more thoughtful spending and better financial health. Budgeting also helps you sleep better at night. Knowing that you have a plan for your money and that you are on track to meet your financial goals can provide peace of mind. This reduces anxiety and allows you to rest easy. You don't have to worry about money as much. With a budget, you can anticipate expenses and avoid financial surprises. This means less stress and more time to enjoy life. Budgeting helps you reach your goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or saving for retirement, a budget provides a clear path to achieving your dreams. It's a tool that helps you turn your aspirations into reality. Do you want to buy a house? A budget can help you save for a down payment and manage your mortgage payments. It's a crucial step in making homeownership a reality, or maybe go on a trip. By setting aside money each month, you can build up a travel fund and make your dream vacation a reality. Budgeting makes it possible to plan and save for the experiences you want to have. A budget will help you get there. It's a roadmap to your financial goals, guiding you every step of the way. With a budget, you can track your progress and stay motivated. It's like a roadmap to your dreams. By following your budget, you can turn your financial aspirations into reality. It's a powerful tool that helps you achieve what you've always wanted. Before you make a budget, you need to know your income. This is the foundation of any financial plan. Without knowing how much money you have coming in, it's impossible to manage your finances effectively. This is how much money you earn. Look at your paychecks. Make sure to include all sources of income, such as your main job, side gigs, and any other earnings. Add up all the money you get each month. Next, track your spending. This means writing down every single purchase, no matter how small. Write down everything you buy. This includes your morning coffee, groceries, and even that impulse buy at the store. Do this for a month. Consistency is key. By tracking your expenses over a longer period, you get a clearer picture of your spending habits. This will show you where your money goes. You might be surprised. Many people are unaware of how much they spend on small, everyday items. Now, put your spending into groups. These are called categories. This helps you see patterns in your spending. For example, you might have categories for rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment, food and fun. Don't forget to include savings and emergency funds as categories too. This helps you see where you spend the most. By understanding your spending habits, you can make better financial decisions and start saving more effectively. Think about your goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to buy a car? Pay off debt? Save for retirement? Write down your goals. Make them specific. For example, don't just say save money. Say save $5,000 for a down payment on a car. Make a timeline for your goals. When do you want to achieve them? This will help you stay motivated. Now it's time to build your budget. Choosing a budgeting method is the first step towards financial freedom. There are many different ones to choose from, each with its own unique approach and benefits. You can find one that works for you by considering your financial goals and lifestyle. One popular method is the 50/30/20 rule. This method is simple and effective. This means you spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debt repayment. By categorizing your expenses, you can easily see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending. These tools can help you stay on top of your finances. This will help you stay organized. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Remember, budgeting is a journey. It takes time and effort to master, but the rewards are worth it. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each step forward is progress towards your financial goals. With a budget, you can achieve your financial goals and build a more secure future for yourself and your family. A well-planned budget allows you to live a more secure and fulfilling life, free from financial stress.